Okay, my name is John Kelleher, and I'm here with Andrew Wegner and John. Say hi, John. It is currently 12:31. We're on our way to Kansas City to pick up way too many machines on a tiny trailer. Finally get the machines that I've owned for 4 years that I just haven't been able to use.
How's it going?
Show me what we got.
We got a motor that goes to some sort of reservoir.
What we got in front of us?
We've got these carts that have all these pegs on.
Pegging carts, if you will.
Yeah, we got this weird gargantuan belt sander. Where are you gonna find belts for this thing?
They're custom. Yeah.
It's big.
Taller than you. Wow, it's like got a good 1.5 feet on you. What we got there?
You got yourself a spinning lathe with a 3-jaw chuck on it.
Oh, we got a foot. Okay, good.
Got a nice little substantial engine hoist for moving these things. Got this guy,
Yeah.
which is ball out press. It's called the Denison press, is
This
what
is
the
a
trade
midget.
name says.
If you know what a midget
It's
is.
not PC, they prefer little people.
No, literally look on the front of it. This allegedly was at Benj, but can't believe anything that guy says. We got some chucks. These are all mine.
No, they're not.
I own all of these.
No,
That's
those-
mine.
No, it's not.
Yeah, wait till I get my pacemaker. Adam's seen me run it.
They're really cool. It's a big boy machine.
But is he gonna get it?
I mean, his mom said.
My mom said okay, so I mean like,
What other permission do you need?
we got skizzers, got some brass, we got bells that he's too lazy to do, so I gotta do them. Look, take a look. Oh my god, look at that garbage. Cancel. What do you think of this trip, John?
Pretty insane.
Is it worth it? What about you, Andrew? You got a nice L00 to 1.5 8 spindle
I got a
adapter.
lot.
All right, got me sitting back here. I think we hit. You hit a giant pole.
Oh, that's not even that bad. We didn't even break anything.
No, we didn't.
We're still committed to this way.
Yeah, that's good.
Is it?
Yeah, you good. Keep going. I'm sorry.
That was very stupid.
Are you good?
Yes.
We're back. There's Andrew. There's the clock.
There's John.
There's John. It's been a long time, and this has been a lot of work to not die, but we're going good. Look at the outside. We're coming up on hour 4 of driving.
We're not hour 4 of driving. What are you talking about?
It's pretty close to it.
No, we left at 11.
Okay, look at that sander. So I haven't told Andrew this yet, but there's a bridge that we're not going to be able to go under.
What? This exact same thing.
Me and my belt sander. We're back in Illinois.
4 more hours to this. How's it going?
Oh, it's super dark. What do you think, John?
Sweaty.
So we got the hydro press in, got my spinning lathe in place. Currently, sweaty John here is trying to get this
learned from the
sander back. We flipped it on its back. The issue here is this is a 48-inch door. It's all that we got, and the base is like 56 inches. It looks so dumb. Okay, brohams.
Doesn't like we're his friends.
We're back home. We're sweaty. We're tired. We're John. We are looking at our machines. We got some brass. We got a lathe, which is totally cool. I got some skizzers. I got a super long tool rest. This has a chuck on it, which is nice, but that comes off. We got the Denison press with the vise. I got these super nifty carts. Those were a great buy. We have one sanding belt. They don't make them anymore. So once that sanding belt's done, this sander's obsolete. Got a buffer, got an engine hoist, got some more carts, got a speed lathe, and a bunch of chucks.
Those aren't Miles's.
Is that all we got? I feel like we got a lot more. Oh, I got a rolling stake. I got more of Vinny's work to do for him too, yeah. This stake is pretty awesome though for rolling seams. It's like 4 feet long. Scissors I'm excited about. These are John Duda's. I'm just borrowing them. Gotta clean them up for him and use them. Same with this lathe. Pretty sweet little boy here. That's a weird thing to say. One belt, really? Wow. We might switch that. Only one V-belt. I feel like this thing needs 3 with that motor. I bet they swapped them out for some speed they wanted. Because there's definitely space in this for like 5 belts.
No, it's definitely not a
No, it's direct drive.
direct drive.
We're gonna do a rebuild on this guy. Unless we look at it and say, hey, we can make that work pretty nice. Freak it is gonna be the best thing to do, I think. Thinking about it now.
You use that term freak like people say that.
People do say that.
No, they
Andrew's not a real electrician, if you didn't know.
What'd you say?
Just an electric.
Freak. Yeah, the sander still steals the show here.
We tipped it over and risked our lives underneath
Dude,
it.
I actually got pinned under it. My head got pinned under, yeah, right there.
That's funny because back in
You
the
can see where my head dislodged the sheet metal. You know what that f***ing thing was for that I picked up? The bearing?
There's a spare
There's
bearing.
a spare, yeah.
Just clamp that down. They're clamping it down.
He's clamping it down. Whoa!
This is the last video I'll ever be in.
You're just mad that we dislike your car obsession. Oh my god, we gotta get a bouncy castle and jump off the roof. Oh my god, that's fast. That's like 4,000 RPM.
McMaster car.